grounding your energy. Welcome to this exploration of the root chakra, the first of the 7 main chakras. Known as Muladhara in Sanskrit, this chakra is your foundation. It represents safety, stability, and your sense of belonging. When balanced, the root chakra anchors you to the present moment, helping you feel secure and resilient. Let's delve into what the root chakra is, how to recognize when it's blocked, and the steps you can take to bring it back into alignment. What is the root chakra? The root chakra is located at the base of your spine, near your tailbone. Its energy governs your basic needs: food, shelter, safety, and survival. It's associated with the color red, which represents vitality, strength, and life force. In humans, the root chakra connects us to the earth, reminding us of our primal instincts and our deep relationship with nature. Think of it as your energetic foundation. If the root chakra is stable, you feel grounded and secure. If it's out of balance, it can leave you feeling anxious, fearful, or disconnected. Signs of a blocked root chakra. How do you know if your root chakra is blocked or unbalanced? Here are some common signs to watch for. You feel insecure or anxious, even when there's no immediate threat. You struggle to focus or make decisions. You're often overwhelmed by fear or uncertainty. You experience physical symptoms like lower back pain, fatigue, or digestive issues. When the root chakra is blocked, it's as though the ground beneath you feels unstable. This instability can ripple through your emotions, thoughts, and even your body. Here are some activities to unblock the root chakra. These activities can help restore your sense of safety and stability. 1. Grounding exercises. Take off your shoes and walk barefoot on grass, sand, or soil. Feel the earth beneath you, anchoring your energy. 2. Meditation with visualization. Sit comfortably and visualize a glowing red light at the base of your spine. Imagine this light growing stronger with each breath, connecting you to the earth's core. 3. Physical movement. Yoga poses like mountain pose, warrior pose, or child's pose help stabilize and energize the root chakra. 4. Connect with nature. Spend time outside, whether it's gardening, hiking, or simply sitting under a tree. 5. Nourishing foods. Eat red or root-based foods, such as beets, strawberries, red peppers, or sweet potatoes. These foods are grounding and help align your energy. 6. Aromatherapy. Use grounding essential oils like cedarwood, patchouli, or vetiver during your meditation or self-care rituals. Affirmations for the root chakra. Affirmations are powerful tools to reprogram your energy and bring focus to your root chakra. Here are a few affirmations to practice daily. I am safe, secure, and grounded. I trust the process of life and know I am supported. I am connected to the earth and all it provides. I have everything I need to thrive. I release fear and embrace stability and strength. Repeat these affirmations, either silently or aloud, to realign your energy and remind yourself of your inner stability. The root chakra is your energetic foundation, the starting point for balance in your life. By grounding yourself and focusing on this energy center, you empower your body, mind, and spirit to face life's challenges with confidence and calm. Take a moment now to breathe deeply and visualize that radiant red light at the base of your spine. With each exhale, release any tension or fear. With each inhale, draw in the earth's grounding energy. You are safe, you are secure, you are deeply connected to the earth and your purpose. Thank you for taking this time to nurture your energy. Until next time, be well and stay grounded.